Welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Bonnie Raitt and John Prine. And the song that we are going to react to and listen to is Angel from Montgomery. This is our first time single take honest reaction to this song.
I am an old woman named after my mother. My old man is another. Child has grown old. Dreams were thunder. Lightning was desire. This old house would have burnt down a long time ago. Make me an angel that flies from Montgomery. Make me a poster of an old rodeo. Just give me one thing I can hold on to. To believe in this living is just a hard way to go.
When I was a young girl, I had me a cowboy. He wasn't much to look at, just a free rambling man. But that was a long time, and no matter how I tried, the years just flow by like a broken down dam.
Make me an angel that flies from Montgomery. Make me a poster of an old rodeo. Just give me one thing that I can hold on to. To believe in this living is just a hard way to go.
There's flies in the kitchen. I can hear them, they're buzzing. And I ain't done nothing since I woke up today.
How the hell can a person gonna work in the morning, come home in the evening, and have nothing to say? Make me an angel that flies from Montgomery. Make me a poster of an old rodeo. Just give me one thing that I can hold on to. To believe in this living is just a hard way to go. To believe in this living is just a hard way to go.
Wow, I couldn't be happier after reacting to a song about after a duet song where Bonnie Raitt and John Prine, both of them are performing, and the male singer has chosen to be like the shadow of the female singer. He's singing after her. She started singing. It was about this girl's story living in Montgomery, and life seems very difficult for her. The road ahead is very, very rocky for her, and she just wants something to hold on to so that she can live. she can believe in living. Her mother, father, both of them probably from what I gather from the first few lines of it. And it seems very, very difficult for her. She wants to be like an angel that flies out of this place. She wants to be like the poster of an old rodeo. She wants to do all of those things. She has dreams, she has aspirations. And the best parts of it were, I like the way she sang it. I really like the way, the pace of the song, the soothing nature of the song, the acoustic guitar playing along with both of them. It sounded great. It sounded great on the ears. And the second best part of it was the line where John Prine joins. He starts with saying that he's the girl. That caught me off guard. I never ever expected something like that, but that happened. And with no surprise after that, the song is written by John Prine. So he himself put himself in a girl's shoes, and he actually wrote this song and got maybe Bonnie Raitt to sing with him, because he was so fascinated about it or something like that. He has to be that interested, he has to be that passionate about what he wrote to call a female singer. I think even if he did not call someone, I think he would have gone ahead and done it himself, putting himself in the female character's character. That's what he could do, because he did a fabulous job doing that. You don't get to witness these kind of things that often, when and especially from societies, and I'm not blaming anyone and not trying to name here anybody, but especially from societies that are gynophobic. So it's a great statement by John Prine what he did in this song, and a great way of writing it too. I like the song. It was very gentle to listen to. The overall sound of it, ambience of it was very gentle on the ears. What about you, Savio?
Yeah, I enjoyed the song. I like the chemistry between them. I enjoyed the guitar play, acoustic all along. Beautiful singing. It was mainly the acoustic guitar and mainly the voices. And that is what it was, a live performance by both of them. If I have to assume what was happening is probably John Prine wrote this song for Bonnie Raitt. So hence it's from a female's perspective. And beautifully written, but I definitely feel it is the first listen. But I definitely feel there's a lot going on here that I don't get, because I'm not from that part of the world. I don't know the historical context in which this song was written. But the way the lines went, it definitely seems like there's a lot more than meets the eye, or a lot more than meets the ear, what we are listening to. So there's a lot more happening in here. It runs a lot deeper. It's not just that make me an angel that flies from Montgomery. I think there's a lot more to it than all that. Yeah, so but I don't know the historical perspective or context, so I will not comment on it. But beautiful singing, beautiful performance by both of them, and great acoustic guitar playing. That's it for this one. Goodbye.
Thank you for watching.